Across the Caribbean, we are all connected by television, radio, digital media, and now artificial intelligence. Every day, Caribbean media informs, shapes, and inspires the conversations that matter most. This August, the region's broadcasters, innovators, and media leaders gathered to define what comes next. Welcome to the Caribbean Broadcasting Union's 57th Annual General Assembly, Caribbean Media and AI. Join thought leaders, broadcasters, journalists, content creators, and technology experts as we examine the next chapter of Caribbean media and celebrate excellence at the CBU Media Awards Gala, honoring the region's best in broadcasting and journalism. August 17 to 19, 2026, Georgetown, Guyana. One region, one industry, one future. Registration is open. The Caribbean's media future is built together at the CBU.
Guyana! Come to Guyana, where culture is lived, heritage is proud, and nature is wild and breathtaking. Feel our unmatched hospitality in the world's fastest growing economy.